What's different from commercial plumbing and HVAC needs and residential HVAC needs? Well, one big difference between people who specialize in commercial buildings versus residential, and especially the professional plumbing and heating professionals that are in the industry, is the heating and cooling appliances tend to be a lot bigger. They're also located in areas that are a little bit more difficult to access because they're in ceilings or they're on roofs, and that's a big difference. The person coming to your house or coming to your commercial building, they're going to bring different tools. They're going to set up differently, right? They're going to need a little bit more space in the commercial side. They're going to need a little bit more information as far as the blueprints go if they're not familiar with the job, in order to know where these heating and cooling appliances are. And there's a lot more of a difference in the variety of type of heating and cooling equipment inside of a commercial building, be it boilers and different types of boilers, air handlers, furnaces, air conditioners, chiller units. The people who come on that commercial side, they're going to be a little bit better or quite a bit better trained and have a more extensive experience, as inside of those commercial sites, their knowledge is a lot more tested on a regular basis. Residential houses tend to be a lot more simple. We're going to have a conventional furnace, that was built in the 60s, 70s, or 80s, or 90s. A furnace built in the 90s to 2000s, or a furnace that's built in, the late 2000s, or like in the last 20 years, where it's all high efficiency appliances. There's a little bit more specific, a little bit better stock because there's less variety of heating appliances. And that's probably the biggest difference between commercial and residential equipment.